know you're directly affected, so you fire away. No pun intended.
Indeed.
Or 1-800-2, excuse me, 1-800-2, I beg your pardon, 1-800-621-3362. That's what they, disasterassistance.gov, 1-800-621-3362 to get the kind of help they need for everything from the basics that they don't have access to right now. I want to turn it over now to the Vice President before we go on to the folks in the various cabinet positions as well as agencies that control these issues. Madam Vice President, I know you're directly affected, so you fire away. No pun intended.
Indeed.